Hi, welcome to Digital URM. From this point on, we begin the professional stage of the course. Up to now, we focused on fundamentals and mindset. From here, we move into real roles, real responsibilities, and real decisions. Today, we answer a key question. What does a cybersecurity analyst actually do? Not what movies show, but what happens every day in companies, governments, and organizations. A cybersecurity analyst is responsible for protecting systems, data, and information from real threats. The job is not about hacking systems, but about preventing, detecting, analyzing, and responding to incidents. Analysts monitor systems, investigate abnormal behavior, and make decisions to reduce risk. It is a defensive, strategic role that requires technical knowledge and strong judgment. An analyst does not spend the day typing magical commands or breaking into systems. They do not work alone, improvise, or operate outside the law. Professional cybersecurity is based on processes, controls, policies, and evidence, not spectacle. Understanding this early prevents frustration and unrealistic expectations. Cybersecurity analysts work with critical information, personal data, production systems, and essential services. A mistake can disrupt operations, expose sensitive data, or impact thousands of people. That's why this role demands discipline, ethics, and responsibility in addition to technical skills. There are different roles within cybersecurity. Some analysts focus on daily defense, blue team. Others simulate attacks, red team. Others coordinate between teams, purple team. And others focus on risk, policy, and compliance, GRC. All of these roles are important and work together. In practice, analysts review alerts, analyze events, investigate incidents, and document findings. They read logs, correlate data, and determine whether activity is normal or suspicious. Much of the job is not constant action, but analysis, evaluation, and decision-making. Analysts do not work randomly. They rely on security frameworks such as NIST or ISO and on controls that define what must be protected and how. Frameworks exist to reduce human error and standardize security practices across organizations. Not every alert is an attack. Not every attack is critical. Analysts must evaluate context, impact, and risk and decide what requires immediate action and what does not. This ability separates professionals from beginners. Everything you will learn next, operating systems, networks, logs, SIEMs, scripting, exists to support this role. These are not isolated skills. They are tools used to analyze, protect, and make informed security decisions. In this video, you learned what a cybersecurity analyst really does. In the next video, we will explore the real history of cyber attacks to understand how modern threats evolved and why current defenses exist. This course is not about curiosity. It is about building professional judgment. Step by step, we move forward.